Hello students, I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be learning about neonatal mortality rate, what do you mean by it, what are the causes and how we can reduce neonatal mortality rate. Okay, so first we will be discussing what do you mean by a neonate. Neo मतलब new, neo means new, natal का मतलब होता है birth, that means new birth. Okay, so till when we will call that the baby is a neonate till 28 days of life, that is from birth till 28 days of life we will call that baby is a neonate. So we will be dividing the neonatal period into two. One is early neonate, second is late neonate. Early and late. Early neonate is 0 to 7 days of life and late neonate is 7 to 28 days of life. Okay, so this is the meaning of neonate. Second is mortality rate. Mortality का मतलब क्या है? Death rate. So rate we are calculating in thousand. Okay, so mortality is death rate. So what do you mean by neonatal mortality rate? Number of death of the babies between 0 to 28 days of life in a year upon total number of live birth in the same year multiplied by 1000. So this is neonatal mortality rate. For example, we are taking in the year 2023. It is going on 2022. Okay, the number of death of children between 0 to 28 days of life in 2022 was 80,000. For example, it was 80,000 and total live birth, for example, we are taking it was 2 lakh. 2 lakh multiplied by 1000. This is the way how we are calculating. That means 40. So the rate of neonatal mortality is 40. So we have just assumed that total newborn were born. टोटल न्यूबॉर्न जो डेथ थी 0 to 28 डेज में वो 80,000 थी एंड 2 लाख दे वर बोर्न. 2 lakh were born. We have taken an example multiplied by 1000. So the mortality rate is 40. So now how we are calculating with this formula. Okay. Now we will be discussing what are the causes why there is high neonatal mortality rate. So what are the causes? Either the babies they are born low birth weight. So the normal weight of a newborn is 2.5 to 3.5 kg for a normal Indian baby. Okay. So if the weight is less than 2.5 kg या फिर early low birth extremely low birth weight babies होते हैं less than 1 kg or the babies who are preterm में babies who are born at 6 month of मतलब gestation or 7 month 8 month, that means the babies who are born before 37 weeks of gestation, these are preterm babies. Perinatal asphyxia, when the baby is inside the uterus of the mother, there is asphyxia, lack of oxygen due to some cord complication or mother complication. Mother is having history of hypertension, diabetes or some other history the mother is having, that may lead to complication to the newborn. So that may lead to neonatal mortality rate. RDS after birth, that is respiratory distress syndrome, birth asphyxia, diarrhea. Diarrhea is the leading cause of death. Because of dehydration, the babies may die. Baby may go into shock एंड शॉक की वजह से क्या होगा? फेलियर होंगे और ऑर्गन्स फेलियर होंगे जिसकी वजह से डेथ में अकर. सेप्सिस बिकॉज ऑफ इन्फेक्शन. बर्थ इंजरी, व्हेन द बर्थ ऑफ बेबी इज टेकिंग प्लेस, तो फिर उसकी वजह से क्या हो सकता है? बर्थ इंजरी हो सकती है. तो दैट मे आल्सो लीड टू कंजेनाइटल एब्नॉर्मैलिटीज, डिफिकल्ट लेबर, hemolytic disorder of newborn, acute respiratory infection and tetanus. So these are some causes of neonatal mortality rate. So the question that arise, how we can reduce neonatal mortality rate. So when we are working in hospital, so how we can improve or how we can reduce it. So there are some ways or how we can help in prevention or reduction. First is antenatal care. So when a mother is ANC, the mother antenatal है, that means during pregnancy, तो हमें मदर को क्या बताना है कि उसको डाइट अच्छी खानी है, वो करना है या नहीं करना है, कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशन है दैट शुड बी, जैसे कोई कोड प्रोलैप्स है, या फिर कोड अराउंड द नेक है, या फिर मदर को हिस्ट्री है हाइपरटेंशन की, प्री-एक्लेम्शिया की, सो दैट शुड बी नोटिस्ड एंड द केयर एंड द ट्रीटमेंट फॉर दैट शुड बी गिवन। आयरन फोलिक एसिड लेना है, फोलिक एसिड लेना है, कैल्शियम खाना है, सो दैट शुड बी the care should be given. Second is intranatal care. So when the baby is born, like birth asphyxia, this is the one of the cause that is leading to neonatal mortality rate. For that, what we will do, we will give better intranatal care. That means when the delivery is taking place, at that time हमें क्या करना है, टेटनस से हम प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं, लाइक क्लीन चेन को मेंटेन करना है, वार्म चेन को मेंटेन करना है। बिकॉज ऑफ hypothermia, some of the neonates, they are leading to neonatal mortality rate. Hypothermia is one of the leading cause. It is the silent killer in newborn, so that may also lead. So during intranatal care, हॉस्पिटलाइज डिलीवरी करानी है, क्लीन चेन को मेंटेन करना है, वार्म चेन को मेंटेन करना है, एंड अगर कोई हाई रिस्क प्रेगनेंसी है उसको हम बोलेंगे कि टर्शियरी लेवल सेंटर पे उसको डिलीवरी करानी है, या फिर रेफरल होना चाहिए। ओके, जहाँ पे मतलब टर्शियरी लेवल की केयर मिल सके वहां पे हमें रेफर कर देना है हॉस्पिटल में एज सुन एज इट इज सीन। एडवोकेट इसेंशियल न्यूबॉर्न केयर। इसेंशियल न्यूबॉर्न केयर में वी हैव टू प्रिवेंट फ्रॉम इन्फेक्शन, ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग को इनिशिएट कराना है, इन्फेक्शन से हमें प्रिवेंट करना है, वार्म चेन को मेंटेन करना है, एंड कोड क्लीन चेन हमें मेंटेन करनी है, आई है, कोड केयर है, दैट शुड बी गिवन। So this is how we can reduce neonatal mortality rate. So this was a small topic on neonatal mortality rate.